This is Rovin Remax. Remax Crossroads First Realty 3. I'm Linda Montgomery, and I'm roving around North Texas, highlighting all the people, places, and things that make this a great place to live and invest in real estate. Our guest expert today is John Allen with Community Insurance Advisors. John, we were talking a little bit earlier about the actual cash value. How does that work with an insurance policy? Explain that, please.
I think the easiest way to understand that is with your roof, right? Actual cash value is insurance code for a depreciated settlement. So typically what insurance companies will do will base that settlement on how old the roof is. So let's say your roof is 17 years old. In most cases, that's an ACV roof. And here's how that actually plays out if you have a claim. Here are the assumptions. Let's say you're in a $300,000 house. The house itself that you have it insured for is $300,000. And let's say you have a 1% wind hail deductible, and that you have to have your roof replaced, and it's $15,000 to replace the roof. So here's how that works. You've got a $15,000 roof on a replacement basis. The insurance company gives you $15,000 less your $3,000 deductible, so you get $12,000 back. On an ACV roof, you have 30 cents on the $15,000, so now you get $4,500 less your $3,000 deductible, you get $1,500 back. So there's roughly what, an $11,000 difference, $10,000 difference in the settlement basis just based on the age of the roof. What do we tell people all the time? The question is not, is the roof in good shape? The question is, how old is the roof? Because that's going to help you understand if you just bought a new roof out of your own pocket versus out of the insurance company's pocket.
Well, and some people, bless their hearts, in the recent storm we've had, have just replaced a roof and then had damage again. Do they have to start all over and go through that formula?
If they've got damage, they've got to get it replaced again, and it now counts as two claims. Now, the good news is, typically speaking, when it's a weather-related claim, it's not going to hurt your premium, unless you have too many of them, typically. But that's not always. Clearly, you want to keep as many claims off your file as you can. So what I would counsel is, if you don't have any water leaks inside the house, you just essentially have cosmetic damage on your roof, I'd wait to get it replaced until the hail season's over. You're not going to hurt anything anyway. If you have a water leak, you got to get it fixed now, because then you're going to have interior damage. So that should be your guidepost.
Well, that's very good advice. Thank you so much. Of course, every situation is different, and homeowners should consult their own insurance advisor and real estate agent when the time comes.